Hi friends, I got 2 of these small plates at Dollar General. They were buy one, get one 50% off. So I got them each of them for 75 cents each. I love this little starfish design and I got it to put under my hand soap on my bathroom sink. However, after a while, the paint chipped off of it and I realized it was not sealed. So I didn't want to throw that plain plate away. So what I did was I just took some spray sealant and sprayed over the remaining plate with starfish. And then I took a napkin and decoupaged over the second plate. And I'll show you what that looks like. The spray sealant makes it waterproof. Here's the napkin I'm using. I got this from the Dollar Tree about 2 years ago. And of course you'll want to clean your plate with alcohol and take the top ply of the napkin only to decoupage down onto the plate. Here I am separating the 2 plies. Some napkins have 3 plies and some of them have even 4. And then I'm going to take this Mod Podge and I'm going to put a layer down on the cleaned plate and lay the napkin down over top of it and smooth it out. And then I just take a top layer of Mod Podge and put over top of the napkin, working it all the way out to the edges. And then just let that dry completely. And then, of course, once the decoupage dries, you'll take a nail file or a sanding block and you'll take the excess napkin off of the plate. Then I'm going to take this Rust-Oleum acrylic clear spray and I'm going to spray over the plate on the front and the back to seal it in because, like I said, I am going to use this on my bathroom sink to hold my hand soap. For the final touch, I'm taking this permanent metallic marker and just going around the edges. This just gives it a little more shine and makes it look just a little more professional. And here's the other plate that has the seashell on it that I sprayed with the acrylic spray and sealed, but I'm going to replace it with this blue one because I really like this one even better than I do the seashell. I'll use that for something else. Maybe I'll put the seashell plate on the other side so that I can put my rings on there when I wash my hands. I hope 2026 is starting off on a good note for all of y'all. Stay warm during this cold weather, and thanks for watching.